Scooter Shooter. What a lovely day! Our friend Scooter seems to enjoy it very much. Boy, those bikes are fast. You wanna be fast too? Well, I know a place we can go.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi's sitting on a box. He's reading a car mag.
Wow, this new electric car is awesome! Hey there, how can I help you?
And so the Scooter told BiBi about the two rapid bikes he saw earlier. He said he wanted to be fast like them. Scooter said he wanted to be friends with them, but those bikes were too quick to notice little Scooter.
Oh! I see. You know what? We can make you much faster, but there will be a lot of work. You sure you want to do this, my little friend? First of all, let's take off your wheels and motor. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Now let's pick up new parts. I think we should start with a motor.
How about this one?
Let's see. Come on, give it a try. No, this one's too small.
What about this one?
Oh no, this one's too big.
Well, let's try this one.
Come on, let's try it out. All right, looks perfect. Now let's get you some new wheels.
What about these?
Nuh-uh, these are bicycle wheels.
How about these?
They are really small. We need bigger ones.
How about these?
All right, that's what we need. Now let's paint you up. Pick the color you like the best. How about yellow? No? All right. Let's try green. Okay, how about blue? Nice! Now let's polish you. Wow! Look at you, my friend. You look way better, and you're much faster now. Let's see how fast you can go. See ya!
And so our friend Scooter said thanks and went to try out his new motor. And even though our friend isn't a motorcycle, he's even faster. He took the first place and found some new friends. This made Scooter very happy. Thanks again, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
The car factory. BiBi always wanted to know what happens in the car factory. Finally, he decided to have a look-see on his day off. Hey, why don't we join BiBi and check out the car factory together?
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
It's always loud at the car factory. There are a lot of tools and robots. To make sure we don't damage our hearing, we should slip on these headphones. The building process begins with a frame. The frame should be very firm and solid. Has to be strong enough to hold many different parts. Engine, transmission, suspension, and steering. Then comes the carcass. When the car is finished, the carcass becomes car's interior. It fits the driver and his passengers. Finally, they fix the wheels. The wheels, car wouldn't be able to move.
Suddenly, everything stopped.
Hey, wait a minute, what happened?
And then BiBi noticed that the main cable was off. Perhaps the snap went loose and the cable switched off.
We gotta do something quick. If we won't do something, robots won't be able to make cars anymore. Lucky I got my tools. Alrighty. First of all, we must completely turn off the power supply. But where's the main switch?
Maybe this is it?
Nope. This one's used in case of fire.
Or this?
Nuh-uh. It's a gas pipe.
Then it must be this one.
Woohoo! Yep, that's the power switch we're looking for. Okay. Now that the power is off, we can safely put the main cable back. To do this, we must use the right tool. Now let's see what options we have.
How about the wrench?
Nope, wrench is for bolts and nuts.
What about this tool?
No, that's a clipper. It's for clipping wires.
Then it must be it.
Woohoo! The screwdriver, of course! Let's fix that screw. All done. Let's turn it back up.
Finally, BiBi went on with his tour.
When the carcass is set, they start putting seats. There's 1 driver's seat and 3 passenger seats. Next step is the doors. Looks like something's missing. That's right, it needs windows. We need a windshield, side windows, and a rear window. Okay, time to fix hood and trunk. Now some finishing touches. Lights and mirrors. That's it! Cool!
And so today, BiBi had a lot of fun at the car factory. Time to go back to workshop. Thanks for the tour, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi and the modern vehicles. Today, BiBi was asked to work at the modern car show. There's so much to see here. Those future cars are like alien ships. How about we take a look-see and check out what BiBi's doing? How do you like the show, BiBi?
Oh, I like it all right. I like cars, all kinds of cars. What about you guys? Come on, follow me. I'll show you around. Wow, cool. Look, this one here works on electricity. It was especially designed for the busy city streets. You need a driver's license to operate this kind of vehicle. What's cool about it is that it has an autopilot feature. Look at this bike. It doesn't have a chain. And look what it's got for pedals. They say it's easier to operate. I should try it someday. Whoa! This bike looks very cool. Check out its features. And the wheels. Are those airless tires? Yep. You heard it, guys. There's a type of tires you don't even have to pump. Some say those are even better. Oh my! Do you see this? Do you? This is as close as you can get to a flying car. It's called vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. See how many engines it has. Those help him to stay in the air. That is awesome. I'd sure love to try it out. Oh, hello? Yeah, of course. I'm coming.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
What's going on?
It won't start.
At all?
Yeah, we have a test drive in an hour and it won't move.
Is it an electric car? Did you charge it?
Yeah.
All right. Let me have a look. Hey, I think you put it into the wrong socket. It'll take at least 8 hours to charge. Now let's see which one of these should we use. Let's have a look, shall we?
You can try this one.
Nope, no use. I think we should try another one.
Try this one.
Nope, can't even plug it in.
This is our last chance.
Hooray! This is the one! Now we should wait for about 20 minutes. All right, you're awake, pal. It's time to show what you can do.
Sometimes minor mistakes can make the whole show go wrong. BiBi fixed it. It's all good now. And our favorite master even took part in the test drive. How cool!
Woohoo! Awesome! What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.